As you can see, I have already drawn a mandala with the help of layered stamp. Add another layer above the mandala layer. Just click on the plus sign and another layer will be added. Now, from the color wheel, select the colors of your choice and start filling the colors above the mandala layer, that is on the newly created layer. You can just randomly pick the colors that you like, and you can even fill the colors in circular motion or vertical lines or horizontal lines. You can check the variants whichever you like. Here I have drawn in circles. Now, with the help of filter toolbar, I am adding blur. That is, I am using Gaussian blur so that there are no harsh lines between the colors. Now, with the help of blending, I am setting the blending mode to screen so that the colors are blended with the mandala below it.